Welcome back, guys, to YouTube Wars. It is top of round 6. We currently have 9 out of 12 points. And here we are. Here's my purchase. Germany had 101 IPCs to spend. So I was spending 30 IPCs on 2 tanks, 2 subs, 2 infantry. 30 more IPCs on 2 bombers and a tank. 30 more IPCs on 5 infantry and an airbase. 9 IPCs on 3 more guys. And 2 IPCs for damage over there and London. So 30, 60, 90, 99, 100, 101. We only have a couple moves. First off, Bessarabia artillery moving into Ukraine. Mechanized infantry from eastern Poland going through western Ukraine into Bryansk. Artillery from eastern Poland hitting Berylis. Berylis also being attacked by 2 bombers. 1, 2, 3, 4 with 2 remaining. And the last bomber is going to Archangel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 1 remaining. Okay, so only a couple to roll. Let's roll with Archangel. I got 2 of 4. 2 of 4. Hit. And he has 2 defense. 0-0. It takes care of that. Archangel lands in Leningrad upside down because he's done. We didn't take it, but that is a done deal. Okay, next, Berylis. I have 2 at 4 and 1 at 2. Alright, so let's get this. 2 at 4, 4 at 4, sorry, 4 at 4, 4 at 4, 1 at 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 at 2 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hit 1 time. So, do I want to leave my artillery or lose a bomber? Tough call. Let me think for a second. So those guys are done. Who do you got in the vicinity? You really don't have anybody in the vicinity. So why don't we... Well, do I want to take the territory? That's the question. 1 IPC for a bomber that I need somewhere else. Let me think about the other movements that can be done in the future. Blah, blah, blah. Does that matter? I don't think so. So let's... His artillery goes 1, 2. He's going to go 1, 2. Just looking at Leningrad. Who can really reach Leningrad at this point? His artillery goes 1. No, he can't reach Leningrad, can he? We're keeping Leningrad, boys. I was a little concerned, but the concern is over. So why don't we... Yeah, let's lose the artillery. He can keep Berylis. And these 2 bombers will land. I have 2 remaining. Oops, I have 2 remaining. So 1, 2 into Romania. Put those guys upside down. Okay, so that's all of my combat movements. That is 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Germany up 4. Germany is at 1, 2, 3, 4 at 5, 6 IPCs. We will non-combat movement. Man, let me think here. What exactly I want to do? Clearing out Archangel and Berylis really, because I planned on doing some other stuff to Leningrad, but I don't really have to. So let me come back to this area over here. So let's go over here. Let's go over here for a second. Okay. All of my ships. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 into C Zone 92 with my 4 transports. I'm not sure about the destroyers yet. Let's leave those there for a second. Let's chip them out because I don't want to forget. We did damage, so we're good to go on there. Oops. And now the units, all these units got on the transports with, and we are over here. We are going to, for the moment, disembark on Morocco and Gibraltar. So let's kind of even it out a little bit. Let's put a tank and a guy. Here, let me see here. We got 4 transports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put a guy on this side and artillery on this side. That should be good. All these planes can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Land in either one. So let's go. What do I got here? I got 2, 4, 6. Let's put them all here at the air base. And let's put a destroyer here just so it negates any bombardment. And since I have all these planes here, why don't I on this side, let's put some more units on this side. Right? Does that look good? Those aren't really heavy hitters though. Let's see, let's put a couple. Wait, no, I need the air base, I think. Hold on a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, maybe it doesn't really matter. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can still get back, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can get back. I can go. Doesn't matter. I don't need the air base. Okay. For what I'm doing. So I got, let's put a 3 and a 4 on this side for defense. Let's put another 3 over here, and let's keep the 4 right here. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we messed up somewhere. Let's put an artillery and a guy. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whatever. I think we're good. Let's. Okay, that looks good. I have one more destroyer over there. I guess we'll just leave him. Let me come back and think for a second. Okay, let's go back over here. Do I want a rail? You have. Okay, well, putting that there would be pointless. Let me see, you can't hit Western unless you fly in. So, just in case you decide to fly in, let's do this. Let's put him there. That takes care of all those movements. And now it's just my guy in Romania. Romania man, is he gonna rail up to Leningrad or is he gonna stay there? What's Romania man gonna do? You know what, Romania man, because I'm gonna spawn. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, why not? Why the hell not? Let's have Romania man rail up. 1, 2, 3. Oh God, just to make sure you don't try to fly in. Okay, 1, 2. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Bessarabia artillery. What do you want to do with Bessarabia artillery? I mean, anti-aircraft gun. Anti-aircraft gun, I think, is okay, just where it is. I don't got a use for that, so I think we are good. Now it's just back to, so this is a done deal. Now I'm just back to this destroyer. Let's, I'm already negating any bombardments. I don't know, I think I'm okay. I think we're okay. I know there's probably more. When DTroy did his recap, he didn't say what was over here. I kind of had to look at the picture. Yes, these are Russian pieces, but yes, I know they're America. So there was no recap, so I really couldn't tell in the picture what was over here. I just kind of had to pause the video and kind of look. So I mean, I just kind of have to catch it on the next turn when it's what is actually there. Just I do know that there was no America units in 106. It was all in 101, and the 2 British ships never left 106. So, so like I said, there might be some more U.S. stuff there. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so that destroyer, man, what the hell is he gonna do? I'm gonna keep him. I'm just gonna keep him right there. Right, I got a naval base on that. Oh yeah, I got the naval base here. Okay, so yeah, we're good. I'm connected to a naval base, so okay. Looks like that's it. Looks like that is it. So let's place some units. Let's take the 2 submarines. We're gonna put them right here. 1, 2 off of the Normandy factory. Okay, we're gonna place, I'm not sure, we're gonna place the air base, you guessed it, in Romania. The 2 bombers be placed in Romania. So that's 2, that's 2 units. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are going to Romania. That's a total of 6 units out of 10 being placed. Okay, now Leningrad. Leningrad is the lucky winner for the 3 tanks. 1, 2, and 3. That leaves me 1, 2, 3, 6 more guys. Well, London's getting a few dudes, so 1, 2, 3 guys for London. That leaves me 3 more guys. We had 6 units here. I can place 3 more if I want. Let me just double check. That's 1, 2, 3 bombers. 1, 2, no, excuse me. That is 4 bombers. 4 bombers means I need 8 infantry, provided I'm going to drop them by air, which more than likely might be the case. So 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let me double check that. You know, because they all wouldn't be going by air, right? So let's get these 2 guys, and let's put here in Western Germany. What round is this? 6, huh? 6. Okay, I gotta think about this for a second. It's round 6, and I have to do this, that, and the other thing. So, 1, 2, 3, 6, put him there, put him there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's put 3 there. 3. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so let's tally this up. I have 56 on the Incan tracker, 56 plus 5 for London, plus 5 for Leningrad, plus 5 for Sweden. So 56, 66, 71. Was there anything else? I can't quite remember now. I think it's just 71 IPCs. So we got 20, 40, 60, 70, and 1. Oh, this is, we got Italy there. Put the marker on it. Morocco for Italy. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, hit that. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I'm good. So, I think this is the quickest turn I had. Not much to do, at least on this turn. Okay guys, well take care. See Wartorn's video up next, and we will see you again here for round 7. Alright, take care guys, bye bye. Oh, gotta recap. I almost hit the button. My finger is on it, and I was like, oh, gotta recap. Okay, so, London, 3 infantry, C-Zone 110, 2 submarines, and a destroyer. C-Zone 91, a destroyer. Morocco, German units are 2 artillery, 2 tactical, 1 fighter. Italian units are 2 infantry, 1 tank, 1 artillery. Gibraltar, German units are 1 tank, 2 infantry, 1 artillery, 2 tactical, 1 fighter. Italian units, 1 infantry, 1 fighter, 1 tank. C-Zone 92, Italian units, transport, destroyer. German units, 4 transports, 1 battleship, 1 cruiser. Western Germany, 3 infantry. Let me scan around here, Romania, German units, 1, 2, 3, 4 infantry, 1, 2, 3, 4 bombers. Italian units, 2 infantry, 1 bomber. Bessarabia, 1 anti-aircraft gun. Ukraine, 1 artillery. Bryansk, 1 mechanized infantry. Western Ukraine, German units, anti-aircraft gun. Italian units, artillery. And then we go up to Novigrad. I have 3 tanks, 1 infantry, and a bomber. And I believe that concludes everything. Okay, all right, now I'm hitting the button, fellas. Okay, all right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.